Man, do I love real estate. Have you ever thought about owning your own huge apartment complex? But it just seems totally out of reach. What if I told you there's a way to invest without needing millions of dollars or dealing with tenants and toilets? Let's talk about multifamily syndication. Hi everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to resource on learning how to build wealth through multifamily investing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale your investment passively, we make it simple to understand how regular people can invest in large multifamily deals. The solution is called multifamily syndication. It's simply a powerful tool and a concept where a group of individuals can pool their money together to buy large multifamily properties that they couldn't acquire on their own. There's two roles here. The first, the investor, also known as the limited partner, or the LP. As an LP, you provide capital, and in return, you get passive income and equity in the deal. The best part is you have no day-to-day management responsibility. The second is probably the most crucial role, the syndicator, also known as the general partner. The syndicators are the ones doing all the heavy lifting. They're finding the deals, doing the pro forma, due diligence, securing the financing, managing the entire asset the entire time, and handling all investor relations. Here's the part most people don't realize. Even though the GPs do most of the work, they usually get the smallest share of the money. For example, a common setup might look like a 70-30 split, where the investors, the LPs, get 70% of the profit, and the GP team gets 30%. The majority always goes to the investor first, because the GP's real reward comes from making the deal successful and growing the value over time. This is precisely where Ark Investment Ventures comes in. As your syndicator, we make the large, profitable deals accessible to the average investor by bringing our expertise to the table. We use our experience and our network to find, vet, and acquire profitable multifamily properties. We already have an existing relations with brokers, lenders, property managers, and this network is essential because many of the best deals aren't publicly listed. We share our access to our valuable off-market deals to our investor club. Furthermore, we handle all the complex financial analysis, market research, and property inspection, the full due diligence, and underwriting. This saves valuable time, effort, and money while helping you avoid the pitfalls. We also ensure efficient operations by working with professional property managers. For the investors, the process is incredibly streamlined. You simply review the offer, commit your capital, and then receive regular updates and distributions. Multifamily syndication truly makes large-scale investing accessible. If you'd like to learn more and explore how you can get involved in one of our upcoming projects, visit aiventuresllc.com. You can also book a free discovery call right on the website. We'll walk you through how syndication works, what opportunities are available, and whether it's a right fit for your investment goals. But with every investment, there's always myths. Our next video will debunk common misconceptions about multifamily investing. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for listening.